That's right, it's a Barbie world out there. Go ahead and make a pose. That's right, just because we Barbies don't mean we ain't strong. And just like this Barbie, our will has no limits. Welcome back, everyone. I know it's been a while. It's been a while since the last time I made a video for YouTubes. But as you guys know, my transition right now is it's getting a little bit better. We'll see how things work out here and there. Not only that, but I actually took way too many Tomb Raider images on this outing, and I realized that I need to be more selective. Like, I get it when you go out and put a figure, you already kind of have an idea. In my case, I don't have any idea. I actually just go to I like to go to new trails that I've never been to, and I'll take like a figure or two with me. And with this particular Tomb Raider Barbie, a buddy of mine actually gave it to me. I showed him some of my magic figure photographies from the past, and he told me that he had this Tomb Raider. I was like, yo, I ordered one on eBay, and the seller totally, I guess he mislisted it, which I've done myself too when I list certain items, especially like magic cards. I guess I'll accidentally put 2 instead of 1 as the quantity, and then when it sells, I'm short-handed a magic card, and I have to send the customer a apology email. But anyways, he I guess he liked the figures from the magic, and he ended up just giving me the Tomb Raider for free, which I thought was pretty awesome. I mean, it is awesome. I mean, I love Tomb Raider. Love Tomb Raider. Played it since the beginning on. Actually, I don't know if it was out before the PlayStation 1, but I know I played it on the PlayStation 1, and let me tell you, I was 100% terrible. I could not get past anything. I guess my problem solving skills were not the greatest when I was a young lad. Anyways, so I got this figure, and then the same day I went out and took some shots. Which, now that I'm looking at these images, I did not wear her. I didn't put any. Normally what I'll do is I'll get oil paint and put a coat of oil paint on the figures, and then I'll remove the oil paint, and it'll bring out a lot of detail, and or just add a little bit of extra red, or maybe a little bit of blue to pull out some of those flesh tones. So I'm 100% gonna do this on this figure. So there's gonna be a part 2, because this one that I did now, she's out of the box. I opened the box and it's brand new. I didn't get to weather her, which I wish I had done actually before. But if anything, this is great, because you can see, you'll be able to see the difference between just buying a figure, which, don't get me wrong, buying a figure is the best thing ever. It's basically Christmas when you buy one. I mean, who doesn't want to just buy figures all day, every day? But when you paint them and wear them out and take the paint off, it's pretty. The transformation, you get to see it there because you're holding it in your hands, and it's I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's just an incredible feeling when you have something there and you're trying to make it improved, and you're wow, just the difference. And anyways, I'm definitely gonna show that the next video, for the next Barbie video of Barbie Tomb Raider that I do, for sure, because it's freaking awesome. I did that with my magic figures, and they came out incredible. I love them. And I was gonna add like a little bit of blood, scuff, you know, Laura a little bit up, and then we're just gonna go back out and reshoot. Maybe, probably not at the same locations, because I think I just went way off topic. So yeah, I just like to go to completely different trails, or like I'll just stop somewhere as I'm driving to, like, I don't know, like to Walmart. Like the other day I went and, oh, actually not the other day. So this one, because as you already know, I go and to like yard sales and garage sales and then flip. You know, I do a little bit of flipping here and there on eBays, and so I'll be exploring, you know, as I'm doing that, and then I'll find like cool new locations to like come back to and take some shots for either the doodles or for some cool epic figure photographies. And I really need to figure out, like, I just need to learn more on how to make them like stay still. Because earlier you saw I actually put a bunch of footage from me, like, and she wouldn't like stand correctly. And I'm thinking, because I know like a lot of cool figure photographers, they'll like put them in like really cool poses, and I get the cool poses, but how do you balance them into to actually stay in that cool pose? Like, do you guys use like light wires, or you know what, I might actually do something like that and get some wires. I will do some more experiment on my next figure for sure. I really enjoyed doing this one. And oh, I was saying, it took me forever to choose the best 6. I had taken way too many. Anyways, next time I'll be more selective. And peace out.